maintenance and modernizing of your website is a passionate part in its continuing success. You want your website visitors to keep visiting your website pages again and again. You want to make sure your product information is accurate and up to date. Introducing Maintenance Block, unlimited web maintenance with fast and professional turnaround. A maintenance block is 30 minutes dedicated to your request. Purchase 30-minute blocks or subscribe to a discounted monthly plan, which allows you to keep your website up to date, secure, and monitored at a fraction of the cost. It's the ideal service for small businesses, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and corporations. As low as $10 per block. New products and services will need to be added. Prices will change, and old products and services will need to be removed. By keeping your products and services up to date with website maintenance, you leverage your online business above the competition. We can help. With ever-evolving technologies, a website begins to look and act old if the interactive components are not consistently updated. Website maintenance fine-tunes your site to ensure your website interactivity is working properly. We can help. Content editing can be accomplished with updated information, such as special offers, product changes, pricing changes, new product and service announcements, employee information changes, and all those things that keep your visitors properly informed. We can help. Select from a wide range of ready-made plans and packages, or got custom requirements? Get in touch with us today or visit our website to schedule a call back from one of our sales executives.